For the first time in C-SUV history, a car has ditched its pretty boy persona to become a rugged, boxy brawler that looks exactly like its big brother, the Santa Fe. But with a twist, it's got the brain of ChatGPT. Yes, you heard that right. This car can now literally talk back to you. Ever feel like you're living in a sci-fi movie where the director forgot to give you a script? Look at the newly leaked 2027 Hyundai Tucson. This isn't just a car anymore. It's a mobile block of steel designed by a gym rat and an AI plotting world domination. The exterior, or what I like to call plastic surgery via sledgehammer. Remember those parametric hidden lights that twinkled like a disco ball on the old model? Forget them. Hyundai just pulled a design callback from the new Santa Fe, but made it angrier. The hood is now flat, upright, and arrogant, like it just won the Powerball. This art of steel design makes the whole thing look like it was forged from a single meteor. Those vertical LED strips create a face that I guarantee will make people on the 405 freeway pull over thinking the Secret Service is coming for them. And check out those hexagonal wheel arches. They're so square, I'm afraid that if you put round tires on them, the car will still look square. This isn't a car for picking up a Tinder date. This is a car for collecting debts or saving the world. The interior, when your second wife gets a rival. Step inside and the first thing that hits you isn't the steering wheel, it's a tech altar. A 17-inch curved display so massive, I'm wondering if Hyundai is selling a car or a mobile IMAX theater. But the real ace in the hole is the Pleos OS featuring the Gleo virtual assistant. Gleo is legit AI. Think ChatGPT on wheels. It doesn't just toggle the AC, it'll actually debate you on why the Cowboys keep choking in the playoffs. Hey Gleo, what's for dinner? Anything you want, boss, as long as you stop dipping into your wife's secret savings to buy those aftermarket rims. See, it's terrifyingly smart. But wait, there's a touch of sanity. Hyundai actually kept the physical knobs for volume and climate. It's the last bit of human kindness for those of us too lazy to stab at a touchscreen while doing 80 miles per hour. Performance, the gentleman in hiking boots. Remember that armored car face I mentioned? It finally got the legs it deserves on the XRT Pro trim. Here is the best part for the road trip junkies. Hyundai is done with the fake XRT appearance packages. They actually lifted the suspension, added real shocks, and slapped on knobby all-terrain tires. This combo of a punchy hybrid powertrain and actual off-road chops turns the 2027 Tucson into a guy in a tuxedo wearing mud-caked hiking boots. It makes zero sense for a fashion gala, but total sense for a Costco run in a snowstorm. If you get stuck in a muddy ditch, Gleo won't just find a tow truck, she'll probably draft a viral Instagram caption for you while you wait. The price of being square. Now, critics will bark, why does it look like a Santa Fe that got sat on by a giant? Exactly, that's the genius. Hyundai is selling you a C-segment car with D-segment road presence, Silicon Valley brains, and the rugged soul of a Jeep. The 2027 Tucson isn't for people who want to blend into a Starbucks drive-thru. It's for the guy who wants to open his garage every morning and have his car look at him and say, "All right, boss, whose day are we ruining today?" Final word of advice. If you're planning on getting married, think twice. A wife is just one person nagging